Pakistan came into being. Who knew that the day of 14th August will change the world in a way that both East and West would come to know that there stands a country named Pakistan, a place with sacred lands, a home for all nations, a guide's effort, a poet's dream, and the struggle of human blood, a new beginning beyond a stream filled with human blood. शायर ने क्या खूब कहा है, वतन की पासबानी जान व ईमान से भी अफजल है, वतन की पासबानी जान व ईमान से भी अफजल है, मैं अपने मुल्क की खातिर कफन भी साथ रखता हूँ. Honorable Chief Guest, respected audience, and my dear fellows, I convey my heartiest greetings to you all on the 74th Independence Day. 14th August is a common day for other nations, but for Pakistani nation, it is the most remarkable day in the history of Pakistan, because on this day, Pakistan got independence from British. Today, everyone from one part of Pakistan to another part of Pakistan are chanting slogans of Pakistan Zindabad with great spirit and energy. It is indeed the energy of freedom and love for the land, but we all know this freedom is very hard earned. The land on which we breathe upon is the blessing of God Almighty. We are free today due to the struggle of our great leaders such as Quaid-e-Azam, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, and many more. We must perform our duties as a responsible citizen and support country's development. Let us all pledge today to work hard and make our country strongest, powerful and developed country in the world. Thank you.
ताज़ा तरीन अपलोड्स की नोटिफिकेशन हासिल करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में दिए गए घंटी के निशान को दबाना ना भूलें।